Oh, just doing a quick video here. This ML350. Just the back 3/4 seat won't pull up, so it's stuck in the folded down position. Some people have trouble where the cables will go and this lever here will not function, but this does function. It'll let the seat go, but just the seat belt over here, now where's it there, is stuck. So hard to see it even, but basically I have to take the back of the seat off and unlatch that belt. The other option is to cut the belt, but then you're down to a 4-person car, so 4-seater. So yeah, I'll try that today, and that's kind of where I'm at. I'll lift it up a bit because it'll raise up that way, give me a bit more room. Well, take the screws out first. It's just a bunch of Phillips screws. All the way along. There's 6 or so. Okay, I'll try that. And so those 6 screws plus extra screws down here, the hole to here. And you take off the trim around the seat. This here. Pop that off. And give it a couple quick tugs. And then the back comes off. You can get out the belt. And there's the belt there. There are some warnings not to take off this side, only to take off this side, but that's all I've just read that so far. I don't know for sure. Another problem is these cables will go under here, and this is your rod here. It comes along here, pulls these 2 cables down. If one of these cables doesn't work, one of the 2 sides will not unlatch. So check that as well if the seat won't come up at all, but my seat will unlatch, would come up. It's just the belt is holding it and get it to unwind. So I'll have to take this off, unwind it somehow, I don't know how, and then put a safety pin in it so it can't retract in that far anymore. Yeah, so I just have my screwdriver in between let's not focus here, that white C-shaped piece and the green. I have to drag it back this here. And with that in there, it will hard to see. Not focus. There we go. That in there, you'll see the green flashing by there. It'll pull on out. So that's good. And I can't see why we did it, but it's a pretty complex piece. No surprise. Oh. And there it goes back in. Is it winding back in? Will it come out again? No, it won't. Focus. Oh, the camera won't focus here. Yeah, so it doesn't want to work. I assume if it just gets both back together, it might be okay, but it's not looking so good. What's this thing focus on? There we go. Yeah, so as it goes in, it just will not come back. I'm not sure why. Anyway, I'll get it out and have it so I can goof with it. So it can't retract too far to hold the seat down. So now with that out, the seat should unlock by pulling that rod and lift up. You see how when it goes up, it'll pull the seat belt back in. So anyway, cut the belt or else goof with this crap for a while. Thanks, bye. Yeah, I can't get it to release, so probably have to buy a new one. So if you ever have this problem, that is to just buy a new seat belt retractor. or have someone install it for you. Yeah, don't ever mess with your seatbelts. Okay, bye. Yeah, if ever in doubt, make sure you replace your seatbelt tensioner. So what I'm finding on this one is the blue piece here that has a ball bearing in it for permanent inertia. It's just holding the white clamp in too much. This will not release. So it's let's see now, where is it? It's hard to see, very tiny parts. Yeah, so it's just the white clamp is holding on the green spool there that has the cogs on it. But if you hold this blue piece back, it takes the pressure off the white piece. And it was letting me open it before. Oh, no, it's not even doing that. Yeah, it's not even doing that. So you hold this white piece back, then it will release. But there we go. But anyway, this one seems to be pooched. Like so many old plastic pieces in there. Definitely do not want to have someone use the seatbelt and trust that it'll actually work. So I'll take the seatbelt out, and it's either buy a new one or else, it's just our winter car basically. So just for people only basically.